This is the ultimate showdown brought to you from Bambi Baby. We're going to run a tournament. We're going to put the Silvercross Jet against the Bugaboo Butterfly and the Nuna TRVL against the UPPAbaby Minu V2, ultimately competing of what was, and I say was, at the top of its class, which is the YOYO2. Stay tuned for this tournament and competition. Don't forget to like, follow, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that little bell to be notified whenever I post videos like this. It means the world to us, and we'll promise to bring you plenty of video for you to watch. In this corner, we have the Silvercross Jet 2 weighing in at 15.1 pounds against the Bugaboo Butterfly, which is a new introduction for 2022, weighing in just under 16 pounds at 15.54. Let's get into the features of the Silvercross Jet. Right out of the gate, it is the only newborn capable in this lineup. It has a full recline for newborn capability. So this one can be your one and only stroller. Your travel system car seat can pop in here and use it for an all-in-one. You will sacrifice that reversible seat. The footrest is extendable, but it's a little on the weak side. The front belly bar is removable at any given point in time. It is a drawstring recline. By just bringing it upright, it does give you a firm backrest, which is really, really nice in this category. To fold it, it's just press the button up on top, collapse the handle, reach over, and it folds compact. It is the only one that will allow you to slide down the aisle in a rollerboard configuration and fits in the overhead compartment. Up against the Bugaboo Butterfly. The Bugaboo Butterfly has an extra large canopy. It has a removable, washable cover. It's extra tall height for toddlers. Very firm footrest, which will also double as a carry handle. Extra large capacity down below for bags. And it is a true 1 second fold all the way down. Fits in every overhead compartment. So comparing the two, because of the removable washable liner, the extra large storage underneath, the bigger canopy, and the taller seat, the winner of this contention is definitely going to go to the Butterfly. Stay tuned for the next battle. In this corner, I have the Nuna TRVL weighing in at 15.66 pounds. And in this corner, I have the UPPAbaby Minu V2 weighing in at 17.2 pounds. When comparing the two strollers, they both come with belly bars, which is a great feature for a child to hold on. They both give you a really high upright seating position. For vertical seating, they don't really recline too far back in regular stroller mode at upright. So that's pretty par for the course. Adjustable footrests on both of them. The Minu V2 is upgraded to a really firm. This is a flexible footrest with an adjustable buttons on the side. This is a front adjustment. The harness is a no rethread harness on both strollers. Canopies on the TRVL is a 2-panel canopy, where on the Minu V2 you have the extendable canopy to go all the way down. The Minu V2 has an extra large basket on the bottom, and it is piggyback capable to carry a second stroller. It's a dual trigger, pull the trigger, squeeze, bring it all the way down, lock it into place. It does have a lock on the side that needs to be unlocked to open, and it comes with a shoulder strap. Doesn't fit in all overhead compartments, but it does fit in international flights. The Nuna TRVL also has a very large, accessible bottom basket, but it's the only gravity fold 1 second stroller. So it folds by itself effortlessly. So how to choose between these two? The V2 will give me a second carrying capability, but when I'm looking for ultralight and compact, I want quick and simple. So my choice is going to be the Nuna TRVL. The Babyzen YOYO has always been at the top of its game for many, many years by itself. Never had so much competition. The Babyzen YOYO still folds the smallest in the category, but you need multiple hands, and it's quite tricky to figure out the bottom latch and lock it into place. So it's definitely the absolute smallest stroller in the category, and multiple hand use. So needing multiple hands to open up your yo-yo is kind of the reason why I think the contenders are dethroning it. There's no doubt that the travel with a 1 second fold and the butterfly also with a 1 second fold kind of dethrones it. Do I need it to be that small? Probably not. And the price point of the yo-yo is definitely not helping it. Everything else in this category was $449, except for the Babyzen yo-yo. So ultimately, I don't think I can come up with an overall winner. I would have to go with saying that the Babyzen yo-yo is probably been dethroned. Any one of these other four would probably take its place, but the competition is so stiff, it's going to be up to you to choose brand, color, features, comfort. I hope this entire video and matchup was very worthwhile. Don't forget to comment below and let us know what your thoughts are.